Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have something that could be a game changer for vinyl enthusiasts. An ultrasonic record cleaner. More specifically, the VEVOR Ultrasonic Vinyl Record Cleaner. This machine retails for $143, making it one of the most affordable ultrasonic cleaners on the market. It has over 250 customer reviews on Amazon, with around 80% of them being 4 to 5 stars. Now of course, if you want something higher end, you're looking at spending a lot more money, which for someone like me with a moderate vinyl collection just isn't worth it. So how does this thing actually work? Well, ultrasonic cleaning uses high frequency sound waves, 40 kHz in this case, which pass through a liquid medium, causing dirt and grime in the record grooves to break loose. The technology itself isn't new, but this level of affordability is what makes the VEVOR stand out. Up until now, I've only used a record brush to clean my vinyl. But let's take a closer look at this album, Just One Night by Eric Clapton, so you can see exactly what kind of dirt we're dealing with. Alright, time to fire up the VEVOR Ultrasonic Vinyl Record Cleaner. For this test I'll be using distilled water and mixing in 1/5 of isopropanol for an effective clean. The cleaner has two knobs. The left one controls the temperature and the right one sets the timer. I'm going to set the temperature to 30 degrees and let the record spin for 15 minutes. Now let's check out the results. The grooves are visibly cleaner, and when I gave it a listen, the surface noise was noticeably reduced. For $143, the VEVOR Ultrasonic vinyl record cleaner delivers solid results. It's not the absolute best out there, but if you're looking for an affordable ultrasonic cleaner, this one definitely gets the job done. If you're a serious collector with a ton of rare records, you might want to invest in a higher end model. But for most vinyl enthusiasts, this is a fantastic value for the price. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments. What's your go-to method for cleaning records? See you in the next one.